Next up for Chromateq, we have Jason Eccles. Make some noise, y'all.
Are we live? Yeah. Just great to be here. Great to be at LDI again. I'd like to introduce Chromateq. You may not have heard of us. We're a 12 years young company, basically a small French software and hardware developer lighting system. Pro DMX is the next step up in our lighting software range, and this one is more designed to integrate moving heads. It gives you a live board, gives you touch screen control. Pixum is our pixel mapping software, and Studio DMX is our 3D visualization. All of these softwares are free. They all come in one single download, and what they integrate it with is our hardware range, and in that range, it's a range of standalone product or live product. And what we call live is you're running it from the PC or your Mac or your Linux or your Raspberry Pi, and you're running that live from the computer. So this is an example of a fitness center that we did in Singapore earlier this year that took advantage of the Pro DMX touchscreen capabilities. And we were able to customize the colors of the touchscreen and help them achieve a very nice lighting show that goes to their sound to light. And this is actually a category for us that's doing very well this year, and we expect next year as we get into some franchises around the world for these cycling centers that need the sound to light and the custom programming. And this is using Pro DMX. Another example of where we get used is we have a Y-Light application, which is over a local Wi-Fi. You're able to control our standalone controllers, and for sales reps who are going out and doing demos for their clients, it gives them a very easy way to show the product. I just realized I have screens here. Okay, awesome. I had a little bit of coffee this morning. All right. This is a fun one. We recently did a Kinetic light art project. One of the main points of this is we used LED player, and this is an artist, and we're dealing directly with him. He's never done lighting programming before, and literally within a day or two, he's comfortable with the software. He's designing his own looks and designing a show that's going to Burning Man and other installations. And this piece, we were used on the Euro Disney float, Frozen, and this is just to give you an idea about the reliability of the product. We've been in business for 12 years. I'm basically the service bench here in the US, and I can tell you over the last 8 months, I do not see many returns. And this is another application instance of our signage. And of course, we have all the functionality of being able to turn the unit off and on, and it has default scenes that will play automatically. And one of the unique things, because we are a small company, we're basically available 24/7. We have a wholly owned assembly office in China. We have our headquarters in France, and we have our office in Chicago, and basically we try to be available 24/7 for anything that comes up. We're all guys that come from the production world, and we understand that world. We have a 5-year warranty on all of our hardware, and that includes live support for all of our installed projects. And our sweet spot is really small to medium-sized projects. That's where we want to go. That's where we do well. And no project is too small for us to be on the phone and emailing and supporting that project. We're also available for showroom programming for key clients. We are doing fairly well in Europe, and we have programmed quite a few large showrooms. The software that we have allows for a very nice presentation in a showroom in terms of customizing the display so it's easy to find your fixtures and the shows that you want to display. So we have a new website. After 12 years, we have a new website that's very nice to navigate now. It's available in dozens of different languages, and it gives you complete support as well as being able to download the software and experiment for free. And as I mentioned, we have these 2 categories that we work in. Let me see if I've got it here. Basically, you have a range that would be live boxes like this that are going to remain attached to your PC, and then you have another range of products that are designed to have either push buttons. These have a lot of dry contacts, RS-232, MIDI, all kinds of I/O that's available with these boxes, and that's our standalone world. With that box that I just showed you, one of the neat things there is because it has that SD card, it's able to run 8 universes of ArtNet from that box, which makes it a very affordable solution for ArtNet show playback. And we've recently upgraded this system now. The newest feature is that we have web remote control. Using our app, we can go over the internet and remotely manage projects, which is a really exciting thing for us. And this is going to be something that doesn't have a subscription. There's no monthly or yearly cost associated with that. You simply create a user account, and it enables you to associate that box, that piece of hardware, with your account, and then you're able to access that from anywhere. We also recently did a pro version of this, which unlocks that box and allows it to do both live and standalone functionality, allowing you to control up to 200 plus universes. And this is our newest product, which is the tactile, touch-sensitive panel mount product. And this will be on display at our booth, so we hope you come by and take a look. Very excited about this one. And that's it. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great show.